ChatGPT can assist with product descriptions, market research, customer communication, and content marketing, helping you reach $20,000 per month. ChatGPT generates engaging, SEO-optimized product descriptions, improving visibility and increasing sales. 1. Dropshipping. 2. Print on demand. 3. Affiliate marketing. ChatGPT can gather insights, analyze reviews, and identify trends to help you make informed decisions on products. ChatGPT automates responses to FAQs and handles returns, allowing you to maintain excellent customer support. ChatGPT generates ad copy, social media posts, and email campaigns, optimizing your marketing strategies. ChatGPT creates SEO-friendly content, including product descriptions and blog posts, to attract organic traffic. 1. Automate tasks. 2. Focus on trending products. 3. Increase conversions. 4. Invest in ads. 1. Shopify, Etsy. 3. Amazon. 4. eBay. Results depend on product selection and marketing. You may see results within months, taking 6 to 12 months to reach $20,000. Yes, ChatGPT shortens the learning curve, helping you automate tasks and generate content for your new business. 1. Personalized emails. 2. Engaging content. 3. Customer support. Reaching $20,000 a month is achievable with ChatGPT's help, automating tasks and optimizing marketing strategies.